Hello children, how are you all? I hope you are all safe at home. So now, welcome to the today's maths class. We are going to continue our session with by doing problems from the exercise 11.3. That is area of circle and as well as circumference of the circle we are doing. So now in that already in 11.3 we completed 5 questions. Now we are going to solve question number 6. Now, all of you look at the textbook. I am going to read the question. You please look at that. Saima wants to put a lace on the edge of a circular table cover of diameter 1.5 meter. Find the length of the lace required and also find its cost at 1 meter. If 1 meter of the lace cost is rupees 15. Use pi is equal to 3.14 here. So now here Saima wants to put a lace on the edge of the circular table cover. See this here children. Suppose let us take a simple diagram. Draw a simple diagram. You can able to understand very easily. Suppose this is a circular table cover. So now Saima wants to put a lace on the edge of the cover. So what is that meaning? That is nothing but it is a circumference of the circle. Okay, this is table cover, right? So same thing, she want to put a lace here, okay, along with the edge of the table cover. So now what they are asking that find the length of that lace and as well as find the total cost of the total length of the what is that lace. They are asking what is the total length of the lace and as well as what is the cost of the lace. So now here given that diameter of the table cover which is equal to 1.5 meters. That is, so D is given, D is nothing but 1.5 meters. So here D is equal to 1.5 meters. Then we need to find out radius also. So radius small r is equal to, which is equal to D by 2, nothing but 1.5 divided by 2 meters. Now, along with edge of the table cover is nothing but it is a circumference of the table cover. Okay. Now, length of the lace is equal to circumference of a table cover. So that is nothing but which is implies 2 pi r. So they given pi is equal to 3.14. Clear? They mentioned in the question. That only we are going to use, which is implies 2 into 3.14 into r is nothing but how much here 1.5 by 2. This 2 will be get cancelled. Now multiply 3.14 into 1.5. So now by multiplying 3.14 into 1.5. Normal multiplication. 15 4s are 60. 15 1s are 15 plus 6 is 21. 2 carry over. 15 3s are 45 plus 2 47. So here 1 2 3 4.71, which is equal. It is implies 4.71 meters. The total length of the lace. Is nothing but 4.71 meters. Clear here? So therefore here total length of the lace is equal to 4.71 meters. Now we need to find out what is how much cost to buy this much length of the lace. Now here given that the cost of lace per meter is equal to rupees 15 per meter, rupees 15. Then how much cost is for 4.71 meters? So here we need to find out total cost is equal to. Now I am going to do here. Now total cost of the lace is equal to 4.71 into 15. Okay. Now just multiply 4.71 into 15. 15 ones are 15. 1 carry over. 15 sevens are 105 plus 1 106. Clear? 10 over. 15 4 are 60 plus 1 70. 70.65 rupees. So now which is equal to, that is rupees 70.65. Clear children? So that is the answer. Right children? Just try to understand that by reading that question you will get idea whether we are going to find out circumference of the circle or area of the circle. Is it clear children? Just copy this. Right children, let us discuss question number 9. Right, let us look at the book. What is the question here? I am going to read the question, just observe clearly. Sajil took a wire of length 44 centimeter. Here Sajil took a wire of length 44 centimeter. The total length of the wire is 44 centimeter. And bend it into the shape of a circle. So he took a wire and he rebent into the a circular form, right? So here find the radius of the circle. First question. Also find its area. Second question. If the same wire is bent into the shape of a square, what will be the length of each of its side? Which figure encloses more area? The circle or the square? Take pi is equal to 22 by 7. Here from one wire, first of all Shajil made one circle form. So from that circle form they are asking that find the radius and as well as area. And as well as after the circular form he rebent into square. From that square you need to find out side of the square, okay, and the area of the square also. After finding area of square, you need to compare both the areas of circle and the area of square. Which area is more encloses? They are asking that. Clear? So now take pi equal to 22 by 7 here they give it. So first of all, we need to take a wire, right? So now let's see this here. Listen here, see, this is a wire. This wire's length is how much? 44 centimeter. Okay? From this wire, he made a circle. Okay? The length of the wire is nothing but the total circumference of the circle. This wire only they bend into circular form. So here 2 pi r is equal to 44 centimeter. Clear? After that, he rebend into a square form. Okay? In this here also square, this becomes, see this, the total wire will become the total square. So length of the wire is nothing but perimeter, that is 4a is equal to 44. Clear children? So that is the main basic question, right? So from this we need to find out the smaller, that is radius of the circle. From this we need to find out side of the square. After finding radius and side, we need to find both the areas, then compare both the areas. We can say that which area is more enclosed. Clear children? Right? So now see this here. Solution. So given that length of the wire is equal to length of the wire is equal to 44 centimeters. So length of the wire is equal to 44 centimeter. That is nothing but circumference of the circle. Right children? So, which is implies circumference of circumference of circle is equal to 44 centimeter, right? So now, which is implies what is circumference of circle? 2 pi r. 2 pi r is equal to 44 centimeter. So take pi is equal to, here they given pi is equal to 22 by 7, right? So that value we are going to substitute in the place of pi, which is implies 2 into 22 by 7 into r is equal to 44 centimeter. Now see this here, 2 into 22 is 44, 44 by 7 into r is equal to 44. Then transpose this 44 by 7 to right hand side, you will get r is equal to 44 into 7 by 44. It will become reverse, okay, reciprocal will get. So 44 will cancel, r is equal to 7 centimeter. So we got radius of the circle 7 centimeters, right? Then after that we need to find out area of the circle, right? Now what is area of circle? Area of circle is equal to, that is pi r square. So which is implies 22 by 7 into 7 centimeter square. So 7 will cancel. 22 into 7 is 7 2s are 14. 1 carry over. 7 2s are 14 plus 1 15. So therefore that is 154 centimeter square. That is area of the circle A is equal to, right? So area is 154 centimeter square. That is for circle. Now see, the same wire they rebend into, from the circle they rebend into the square form, okay? So whatever the length of wire, it will become perimeter of the square, right? So now perimeter of square is equal to 4 into side, 4a. So 4a is equal to 44, which is implies a is equal to 44 by 4. 4 ones are 4 11s are. Therefore a is equal to 11 centimeters, right? This is a side of the square we got. A is equal to 11 centimeters. Now find the area of square. What is area of square here? What is the formula? Side into side, right? That is a into a centimeter square. So which is implies 11 into 11, what is equal to 121 centimeter square. So now here we got area of square is 121 centimeter square. Area of circle is 154 centimeter square. Then tell me which area is more encloses, which area is more. So therefore circle area is more. Here I am going to write. So therefore here circle area is more than square area. Clear, children? This is your answer, right? Copy this. Right, children, let us discuss question number 10. From a circular card sheet of radius 14 centimeter, two circles of radius 3.5 centimeter and a rectangle of length 3 centimeter and breadth 1 centimeter are removed as shown in the adjoint figure. Find the area of the remaining sheet. Take pi equal to 2 by 7. So here they given one circular region. From that circular region, they took 3 faces. They took 3 figures. 2 are in circular figure and 1 is in a rectangular figure. So they given the dimensions of both the small circles and as well as rectangle and as well as the radius of the big circle also. They are asking that after removing that both the circles and rectangle, what is the area is remaining from the total circular card sheet. Right, children? So here we need to draw the figure. We can understand very easily. This is the circular card sheet. From this they removed 2 small circles and 1 rectangle. Clear? Now, after that, after remove this one, this is the shaded part. Clear? They are asking that what is the area of this shaded part? What is the remaining area? Clear? So what we are going to do? First of all, we need to find out the area of the big circle. Okay. Then after that, we need to find out the area of the small circles both, and as well as area of the rectangle, and we need to add these three areas. These three areas we need to subtract from the total area. You will get the remaining part of the area. Clear, children? So first of all, we need to find out the given data. Okay, given, right? So given that the radius of a big circle, okay, which is implies we can take it as a capital R. Okay, big circle we can take it as capital R, which is equal to how much it is? 14 centimeter. Right? So now, and also given that the radius of small circles, both are same radius, which is smaller, is nothing but 3.5 centimeters. Right? And also given that length and breadth of rectangle, which is equal to respectively, which is equal to what is the length here? Length is nothing but 3 centimeter and the breadth is 1 centimeter. 3 centimeters comma 1 centimeter. Right? Sorry. Right. 3 centimeter and 1 centimeter, comma 1 centimeter. Right? So first of all, we need to find out area of big circle, which is equal to pi capital R square. That we are going to find out first of all, which is implies. So they given pi is equal to 22 by 7. That we are going to apply here. So 22 by 7 into capital R is nothing but 14. So 14 into 14 centimeter square. 7 ones are 7 twos are. Right? Then multiply 22 into 14 twos are 28 centimeter square. By multiplying these two, 8 twos are 16. So here I am going to do 22 into 28, 16, 17, 4, right? 6, 11, 6, 616 centimeter square. Is this correct? Right. 6, 7 plus 4 is 11, 1 carry over, 4 plus 1 is 6. Clear? Which is equal to 616 centimeters square. This is the total area of this total circle, big circle. Okay? This is right. Okay? You can take it as capital A, which is equal to 616 centimeters square. Right? Now, we need to find out area of the small circle. Here there are two circles are there. We need to find out one area of the small circle. You can multiply with 2. You will get these both areas because both are same circles, have the same radius, that is 3.5 centimeter only. Now, area of small circles. There are two circles are there. We can multiply with 2 small circles, which is equal to, generally it is a pi r area of here I am going to write 2 small circles. Okay, 1 second. We need to find out area of 2 small circles. 2 small circles, which is equal to, generally 2 into area of circle is pi r square. Okay, 2 small circles. There are 2 small circles are there, so we need to multiply 2 here only, right? Otherwise, you can find out the area of the small circle. Finally, you can find out multiply with 2. Okay, however you want you can do. Area of 2 small circles equal to 2 into pi r square, which is implies 2 into 22 by 7 into what is r here? 3.5. So 3.5 into 3.5 centimeter square, right? So 7 ones are 7 0.5. Clear? So now just multiply all those. You will get the area of two small circles. 2 into 22, that is 44, which is equal to 44 into 3.5 into 0.5. Right, children? So now which is equal to 44 into, I am going to write, I am removing the decimal, I am writing in the 10, 5 by 10. Now multiply 5 ones are 5 twos are, 2 ones are 2, 22s are, 2 fives are 2, 11s are, 5 ones are 5 sevens are. Right? 11 into 7, which is equal to 77 centimeter square. This is the area of the small circles. A1 I am writing here. Right? That is A. This is A1. A1 means area of the both the small circles. Clear? Now area of rectangle. Area of rectangle, which is equal to L into B. Right, children? Which is implies L is equal to 3 centimeters into 1 centimeter, which is equal to 3 centimeter square. Now, which is implies area of a total area of, okay, total area of two small circles plus area of rectangle. Area of rectangle. Right, children? So now which is implies 77 plus 3 is equal to 80 centimeter square. That is the area of these two circles and rectangle. Right? So now area of the remaining part. Okay. What is the area of the remaining part after removing the both the circles and rectangle? Okay. Now remaining area is equal to area of the circle minus, that is 616 minus 80, right? 80. So it is nothing but 6 minus 0 is 6, 1 minus 8 is nothing but not possible. So by taking the carry over, this is 11 minus 8 is 3, and this is 536 centimeter square. So therefore the remaining area is equal to 536 centimeter square. That is the answer. Is it clear, children? Did you understand that? See, they given one circular region with radius is 14 centimeter. In that circular region, there are two circles are there which have the radius is 3.5 centimeter, and there is one rectangle, length is equal to 3 centimeter and breadth is equal to 1 centimeter. They are asking that after removing these three parts from the total area, what is the remaining area they are asking? Find the area of the remaining sheet they are asking. Clear, children? So now just we need to find out area of the big circle, that is pi r square. So we will get 616 centimeter square. After finding this area, then we can find out the area of two small circles. So that is 2 into pi r square. Right, children? So by multiplying, you will get answer is 77 centimeter square. After that, you can find out the area of the rectangle also, which has dimensions, length is 3 centimeter and breadth is 1 centimeter. You will get 3 centimeter square. And we need to add these three areas. Okay. So now by adding those three areas, you will get 77 plus 3, which is nothing but 80 centimeter square. So this 80 centimeter square we need to subtract from the total area, that is 616 centimeter square. By subtracting, you will get 536 centimeter square. Clear, children? Copy this. Right, children? I hope you understood that today's problems, whatever we discussed from the exercise 11.3, right? Totally area of the circle and the circumference of the circle we discussed. Right, children? And today's homework is in exercise 11.3, question number 7, 8, 11 and as well as 12. Right children? Thank you. Have a great day.